Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find tutorials in the Google Authenticator application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on how it works and you can just press on next, next, next and next once again. And that is the entire tutorial, so you can just simply read it, press next, and until you are going to finish, and you can see that every basic information is presented to you here. It's not a lot to read, of course, it's just 4 small pages, and once you're done with everything you can just press on next and you will be back in the home page. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.